Welcome to GN Extreme Tech, the channel where we explore the amazing world of technology and innovation. Today, we are going to see how bamboo plywood panels are made inside the factory. Bamboo is a sustainable and versatile material that can be used for many purposes, such as furniture, flooring, and construction. But how do they turn bamboo into plywood? Let's find out. The process starts with harvesting the bamboo when it is mature enough, usually after 4 to 6 years of growth. The bamboo is then cut into logs of suitable size and shape, and the excess parts are collected for other uses. The logs are then transported to the processing unit, where they are sliced into thin strips. The strips are then scraped to remove the outer green layer, which contains moisture and impurities. The next step is to steam the bamboo strips to make them more flexible and durable. The steaming also removes any remaining moisture and prevents fungal growth. The bamboo strips are then sorted according to their color and quality. The strips are then glued together using a special adhesive that is eco-friendly and strong. The glued strips are then dried in a kiln, where they are exposed to high temperature and pressure. This makes the bamboo strips bond together and form a solid panel. The panel is then taken out of the kiln and sent for cutting. The edges of the panel are trimmed to make it smooth and even. The panel is then measured and marked according to the desired design and size. The panel is then milled to create the required shape and profile, such as grooves, holes, or curves. The final step is to stack and pack the panels for shipment. The panels are wrapped in protective material and labeled with the product information. And that's how bamboo plywood panels are made inside the factory. Bamboo plywood is a great alternative to traditional wood, as it is renewable, durable, and beautiful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.